One of the biggest strengths of the LA site is our ethno-bridging capabilities. We've been doing ethno-bridging studies for a long time and have built up a strong database of ethnic populations. Our staff are also multicultural and speak the language of these study participants so they can feel right at home when they arrive here on site. In addition, we have catered ethnic meals that suit the palate of our diverse study participants. From a study participant recruitment standpoint, I think what really sets Alta Science's LA site apart is the luxury we get to enjoy being here in Southern California with such a diverse ethnic local population. We've been so successful with our ethno-bridging studies, especially Japanese and Chinese ethno-bridging studies, and a lot of that is due to having study participant recruiters who are multilingual and multicultural. Our marketing department also can drive very targeted ads at these ethnic populations' media outlets, and oftentimes will participate in community outreach events to really make our presence known in these different communities. In addition to ethno-bridging studies, we've also had a long history of working on vaccine trials. We helped develop the H1N1 flu vaccine, as well as worked on different flu challenge studies here at the site. We've most recently had to work on a number of COVID vaccine trials here, and our units are specifically designed to accommodate different challenge studies, whether positive, negative airflow ventilation is required, reduction in foot traffic, or special compounding requirements are needed. Our facility has the capabilities to conduct those types of studies. Another area of focus for us here is ophthalmology studies. We've worked on a number of ophthalmology studies focused on either the front of the eye or the back of the eye, and we partner with local area ophthalmologists to function as either principal investigators on studies, sub-investigators to perform specific procedures on the study, or as patient referral sources. We also have a number of specialized ophthalmology equipment here on site, and our staff are well proficient in its use and can conduct the trials with that equipment very successfully. I think what sets Alta Sciences apart from other CROs is the extreme focus on flexibility. Flexibility for the client and a very customer-centric mentality. We have all the capabilities of a large-size CRO, but we have a culture of service and almost concierge approach as a mid-size CRO. When our clients pick up the phone and talk to us, they know who they're talking to. We have a proven track history with them, and there's a personal relationship with our clients that we've fostered over the years. The people at Alta Sciences are integral to the organization because of one simple concept to me: collaboration. A culture of working together, of being able to support each other no matter where you are geographically or what time zone you're in. I know I can lean on my colleagues at any time, and that same culture translates to providing 24/7 client-facing service as well.